Elevate your culinary experience with the Wancle 1100W Sous Vide Cooker, an innovative immersion circulator designed to deliver precise and accurate cooking results. Featuring an LCD touchscreen and IPX7 waterproof design, this Sous Vide cooker ensures convenient and efficient cooking. With a powerful 1100W heating element and digital display, achieving restaurant-quality meals in the comfort of your home has never been easier. Precise cooking. The Wancle Sous Vide Cooker employs immersion circulator technology to achieve precise and consistent cooking results. Maintain the perfect temperature for your food, ensuring optimal doneness and flavor. LCD touchscreen. The intuitive LCD touchscreen allows for easy and convenient control of the Sous Vide cooker. Adjust time and temperature settings effortlessly, enhancing the user experience. Powerful 1100W heating element. With a robust 1100W heating element, this Sous Vide cooker rapidly heats water to the desired temperature, expediting the cooking process without compromising accuracy. IPX7 waterproof design. The IPX7 waterproof rating ensures the Sous Vide cooker is resistant to water exposure, providing durability and peace of mind during use. Digital display. The digital display provides clear and precise information about the cooking status, making it easy to monitor and control the Sous Vide process. Efficient vacuum cooking. Utilize the Sous Vide method for efficient vacuum cooking, allowing ingredients to cook evenly and retain their natural flavors and juices. Versatile cooking. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or a home chef, the Wancle Sous Vide cooker caters to a variety of cooking styles, making it suitable for a range of ingredients and dishes. Upgrade your cooking capabilities with the Wancle 1100W Sous Vide Cooker, where precision meets convenience. Enjoy restaurant-quality meals from the comfort of your home with this innovative immersion circulator, designed for accurate and efficient Sous Vide cooking.